If you have limited counter space but still want crispy, air-fried food, choosing the right small air fryer makes a big difference. Today I researched 4 of the best compact air fryers that are ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or small kitchens, and I'm ranking them from number 4 down to number 1 to help you decide which one fits your space and cooking style best. As always, these picks are based on features, power, size, and overall buyer feedback to help you make a smarter decision. Starting at number 4, the Dash Digital TastyCrisp 2.6-quart air fryer. This model is designed for single users or 2-person households who want something simple and compact. With a 2.6-quart capacity, it gives you enough room for snacks, sides, or smaller meal portions without taking up too much counter space. It features adjustable temperature control, a digital display screen, and a removable crisper basket that makes cleanup easier. Like most compact units, it preheats quickly and includes an adjustable timer so you can set it and let it cook without constantly checking on it. It also includes an auto shutoff feature for added peace of mind. Overall, this is a solid entry-level compact air fryer if you want something straightforward and easy to use without a lot of extra features. Moving to number 3, the Cosori 2.1-quart mini air fryer. This one is especially appealing for dorm rooms, RVs, trucks, or very tight kitchen spaces. It weighs under 5 pounds and has a compact footprint at just over 8 inches wide, so it's one of the more portable options in this category. It runs at 900 watts and offers 4 functions: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. The dedicated reheat function is particularly useful for bringing leftovers like fries, wings, or pizza back to a crispy texture instead of turning soggy in a microwave. It uses little to no oil, with claims of up to 97% less oil compared to traditional deep frying. And the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It also includes access to recipes through the VE Sync app, which is helpful if you're new to air frying. Because it's 2.1 quarts, it's best for single servings or light snack portions, but for small living spaces, it's a very practical option. At number 2, the Cuisinart 2.6-quart compact air fryer. This model steps things up slightly in power and features. It runs at 1,100 watts, which is higher than the previous 2 models, and that extra power can help with faster heating and stronger crisping performance. It offers 3 main cooking functions: air fry, roast, and bake, along with 3 dedicated air fry presets for fries, wings, and frozen snacks. That makes it beginner-friendly if you prefer preset options. One standout feature here is the viewing window that allows you to monitor your food without opening the basket and losing heat, which can help with more precise cooking. It also includes a toss reminder and a digital touchscreen display for better control. With its 2.6-quart capacity, it's still compact, but it feels a bit more premium in both performance and design. And finally, at number 1, the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer. This model balances compact size with practical features very well. It has a square basket design that helps maximize the 2-quart capacity while keeping the overall footprint narrow and space-saving. It runs at 900 watts and can reach temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for fries, vegetables, wings, and small protein portions. It also features a digital touch display, so you can customize time and temperature easily. One feature that stands out is the built-in shake reminder. Halfway through cooking, it alerts you to shake your food for more even crisping. The non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, and it includes automatic shutoff for added safety. While it's not designed for large batches or family meals, for 1 to 2 people in a small kitchen, it offers a very balanced mix of size, convenience, and functionality. To quickly summarize, if you want a simple entry-level compact option, the Dash is a good starting point. If you need something ultralight and ideal for dorms or travel setups, the Cosori stands out. If you prefer more power and a viewing window, the Cuisinart offers a more premium compact experience. And if you want the best overall balance of space-saving design and practical features, the Chefman is a strong choice in this group. If you enjoy research-based breakdowns that help you make smarter buying decisions without wasting money, consider subscribing. I post multiple home and kitchen product reviews every week. You'll find links to all 4 air fryers in the description so you can compare current pricing, specs, and customer reviews directly. And as always, make sure to double-check the dimensions to ensure it fits your space before ordering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.